Hello. I thought I'd share this one because Etsy only allows you like 15 seconds video, and it's just impossible to feature in one short video everything included in this kit. A few of you asked me if I can do a Marie Antoinette a kit, so I thought I'll create one with loads of pieces and an extra folio card with pockets that you can store everything inside or just put it in your journal. So let me get everything out. So it comes with two pockets. For this side, I've got the larger pocket stuck on the main card with an extra pocket here to go on top. I've added some lace here so I can store more things here just to add a bit of prettiness. And I had this, with this card I made like a, with this piece of card I made like a mini pocket, and I've added these stamps to here and an extra one here. And with the, I'll just go through this one. So there is a luggage tag here. I've decorated with some gems as well, some sticky gems, and there is a mini pocket here to match to go over the tag. And I've stuck this her shoe here with a dress and an extra stamp, and I've collaged this bit into this floral background. This is an extra tag here. There's some pretty roses tags to go with the rest of this colorful themed paper. Some watercolored one. There is this gift bag is also included, and I've put a matching gift tag as well here to go with this design, and an extra paper here which I've also added some lace to. And there are these two pieces of lace with hair here in the background, so it's like pale and looks like super vintagey. And I've stuck some lace here in between, so I've stuck them to each other with lace, so it's like a mini bag here. And with these two papers here, I've burned the edges, and that's another tag here to match. And on this side, I've put the smaller pocket actually underneath and the main pocket here on top, so because I didn't want to cover the dress. So I've stuck this one, it's a small strip, so I've stuck it a bit like kind of middle down, and then this on top with a matching stamp here, and an extra pages here. I've used this strip here as a pocket, and this stamp here as well. I bind these papers together so it's not all too loose. This luggage tag also comes with a matching pocket and with a matching paper and extra bits you can fit inside. And within this photo frame I paste her here inside with some roses and this gem here as well. And also this envelope also included, and I added a bit of feather here and some extra papers here to go inside. You can use it as it is, so it's like loaded large tag folio. I'm never too sure how to call this, or you can just incorporate it with any Marie Antoinette book you are making. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the link to the listing in the description. Thanks so much.